Today we'll see how to create a Gmail signature. So signature is a text which can contain like your contact information or your favorite quote, so that automatically added at end of your Gmail message every time you send. Open Gmail and click on the wrench icon and click on the see all settings. And you have to scroll down to the bottom, so where you see the signature section. So let me just scroll down more, so we'll find the signature section. So this is the signature section where you have to create your new signature. Click on create new. So here we can differentiate by creating multiple signatures. Like when you're sending a fresh email, you can send one signature to that, and when you're replying to the same emails, when you're having a one-to-one conversations with your customers, then you can include the other type of signature. So we'll see like how to differentiate and how can we use the multiple signature and how can we manage that. Now we'll just do a compose now, so which means whenever I send a fresh email to the customers or my colleagues or my friends, so this text should be populated on the bottom of your email. Now let me just give some formal information here. Okay, now we have given the regards and Nick creator. Add a picture to that, or you can insert the link. So if I just click on the link, so if you have a website, you can just put the website name here and you can provide the link here. Also you can import the picture. So if you have any picture and if you want to add it to your Google signature, you can just select from your local device. Now, so if you want to change the font, so we have the two different types of fonts here. So I have like multiple fonts here. You can just select. If you want to increase the text size, you can do from this one. So whether you need like it's in a small size or the large size or very huge. Just scroll down and you will see the signature defaults here. For new emails use, on replies or the forward use. So there are two. So since we have created only one, so in our drop down it will show only one for us. Now we'll differentiate how can we use that. For all the new emails, so I'm selecting the compose, so that when I send an email to the recipients in a fresh email, so this signature will be added automatically. We'll create other signature to differentiate. So this has to send whenever I do a reply. So create. See again, you see the new box we have, so that you can input your name. So for now I'll just put my name here. Okay, now come to the signature defaults here, and you see the on reply and forward use, and you go ahead and select reply. And to save the changes, scroll down to the bottom and click save changes. Now we'll see a demo. So let's click on compose and see. As I said, like automatically it will be added. Now we'll see how the reply signature will show us. So I just opened a random email and click on reply, and I need to scroll down to the bottom to see that signature. See, we have the signature populated here. So this is how you create a Gmail signature, guys. I hope this video is helpful to you. And if you want to hear from us again, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for more videos. And do like the video. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.